What we do is we take modular kitchen units and we put them together to make a complex that institutions, hospitals, schools, large corporations can use when they're in the midst of a large or a major renovation project under a brick and mortar facility.
Kitchens to Go is about solutions. It's solutions for keeping an operation up and going. Our new tagline is "We keep you cooking," and it really is true.
Kitchens to Go has 3 operational focuses: special events, disaster relief, and construction support, where we're supporting entities, institutions that need to continue to operate while they're renovating, rehabbing, rehabilitating their food service facilities.
So really what we do is we ensure their business continuity, we ensure that they keep their people employed and are able to do so up to their standards. It's exciting to know that we are offering something that is unique but needed in the marketplace.
Where we can bring a huge advantage to the process is when we can put together these larger complexes. It gives them a solution that is a little bit more sophisticated than a trailer. That's where we do exceptionally well, and that's why we exist.
The challenges we face are similar to any food service space, but more concentrated.
Probably one of the best compliments is when we shipped our units and equipment to them, they asked if it was new. And the equipment wasn't new, but it was the dedicated team at our renovation center that maintenances and cleans the equipment.
Make sure it's all clean, tested, it's good to go for a customer. So once it gets on site, they can plug it up and it runs and no problems.
We make it as easy as possible for the client to get what they need quickly and in place so that they can move on with whatever they're facing and whatever their challenges are.
Our solution is probably the most efficient way to go about a renovation or a closure of a food service facility is that you can stay up and running. If you're phasing, you're having to close down and move equipment and not be fully functional. So with our solution, as long as we can find the space for it, we can keep you cooking.
The mission of Kitchens to Go is driven by our values. The values include 3 key items: 1, quality; 2, creativity; and 3, integrity. And we live by those.
Mission is to be the world's provider of the highest quality relocatable food service complexes and solutions. And we've put that mission together to really define what we're providing to the marketplace. It delights me when I arrive on site and see the quality of work, the integrity of the work that our teams have designed and built and delivered and installed. It's really very exciting. They just take it upon themselves to deliver our promise to the client of facilities that will meet their needs, that will allow them to continue their operations, will allow them to continue their business.